sexting, or sending sexually explicit messages, pics, etc. via text, has more or less become a mainstay of dating. In fact, one recent study from Drexel University found that as many as 88% of adults engage in sexting, and another published just last year found that 1 in 4 youths sext. Well, a new meta-analysis appearing in JAMA Pediatrics of 23 studies, including more than 41,000 participants, has found a link between teen sexting and a host of negative issues. According to the findings, teens who sext had a higher chance of having more sexual partners, having symptoms of anxiety and depression, have a higher chance of taking drugs, drinking, smoking, and were more likely to forgo using contraception. But the researchers warn that sexting probably isn't the cause, but rather an indicator of someone who is already prone to risk-taking, and may reveal how younger sexual activity can affect someone adversely. But they also found that 1 in 8 teens forward sex to other people without permission, which researchers say could be one of the reasons sexting is associated with anxiety and depression. And sending and receiving sexts also seems to carry a greater emotional risk if the relationship is casual. The study's lead author says that sexting is now just a part of development in the modern era, and parents should tread lightly and educate, rather than punish their kids if they catch them sexting. And when I was a kid, parents thought AIM was dangerous.